Hi, boys and girls. Today for Fundations, we will be reviewing closed syllables. So let's go ahead and review what a syllable is. A syllable is part of a word that can be pushed out in one breath. These words are all one-syllable words: cat, chin, wrap, pick. When you say these words, you open your mouth only once. So let's practice. I want you to take your hand and I want you to place it underneath your chin to feel how many times your chin goes down as you read these words. So hands underneath your chin and let's say these words. Cat. How many times did your chin go down when you said the word cat? You should have felt it just once. Let's do the next word. Hand under your chin. Chin. How many times did you feel your chin go down? That's right, only once. Let's do the next word. Hand underneath your chin. Wrap. I only felt my chin go down only once. Let's do the last word. Hand underneath your chin. Pick. So you should only feel your chin go down once for these one-syllable words. So now let's review what a closed syllable is. So in order for a word to be a closed syllable, it has to follow these rules. So a closed syllable can only have one vowel. So it could only have one A, E, I, O, or U. The vowel can't escape because it's closed by at least one consonant. And then the vowel says it's short sound. So when a word is a closed syllable, the vowel should say a, I, ah, or ah. So let's look at closed syllable words. So we have the word dog. So dog, I marked up all of the consonants and the vowels. The D is a consonant, the O is a vowel, and the G is a consonant. This is a closed syllable because there is one vowel, there's a consonant right next to the vowel so it can't escape, and the vowel doesn't say O, it says ah, because the word is dog. So dog is a closed syllable. Let's look at this word, cash. I marked up my consonants, which is C, S, and H, and then I marked up the vowel. Cash is a closed syllable because it has one vowel, it has at least one consonant. It actually has two consonants, and that's okay because the vowel can't escape. And the vowel doesn't say A, it says ah, like in the word cash. So cash is a closed syllable. Let's look at the word she. So again, I marked up the consonant, S, H, and then I marked up the vowel. So let's see if it follows the rule. A closed syllable needs to have only one vowel. There's my one vowel. A closed syllable also needs to have at least one consonant after so it doesn't escape. Uh-oh, there's no consonant, so this word cannot be a closed syllable. All right, good job, first graders. I'll see you soon.